Hello, my name is Ozioma Victory Chukwu. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I set up a customized workspace on monday.com for a client project. So without wasting your time, let's head on to monday.com. This is the monday.com work management platform. You're going to see how I created a functional workspace for the client, how I set up and customize boards to suit the project goals, how I added the right columns to capture the key data, how I imported a CSV file to auto-populate the board and save time. So let's head into the project. Creating a workspace. I came here, add a new workspace, name it bright real estate workspace. Adding the workspace, I headed over to like adding boards, creating new boards. So I had to name my boards. New properties, items, create board. Creating a workspace and creating boards are just to like make your work easier. So here we'll have the new properties, have groups, rename the groups. So I would see family, properties. These are the columns, the default columns. You can delete, deleted the default columns to create mine. Here I can add my preferred columns. And choose text, a date to rename to 101. Property address. Status, add status. I added status. I want to customize my status to the preferred ones. Signed. Working on it. Not signed. Okay, you can change the status of the one you feel like. So let's add items to our board. So for the first one, let's say multi-family house in two-bed, one bath. Property address, Houston, Texas. And assign people to do this. assigned, add date, and then date today, 1st of July. So add another property. Pre-bed, 2 baths. Austin, Texas. Change the status, not signed. Assigned to another person, date 27. So that's how you're going to like walk through creating workspace, adding boards. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to import a CSV file. I did that. You can do that from here. Sorry. Import files, browse, and choose the file you want to import. Document. Choose import. I'm not going to go through. I've just showed you how to like import a CSV file. So go back, creating the right columns and all that. If you want to create form for the board, go here, create forms, fill in the appropriate ones, take the required, make adjustments and all that. You see the form reflects what's in the column, the columns you've created. So like my columns have name, property address, status, date. So once this is done, I share the link, send out, and it gets populated by the client frame or the staffs for the client. Back to my main table, can add more boards. Want to add more boards, you go here, let me add another board, new board. Single family railway house. Single family house board. So we have boards here. So in this short video, I've been able to like show you a walkthrough how I created a workspace, created boards, added columns that are personalized to the client's needs, created forms, showed you how to create forms, how to import a CSV file. So this setup helped the team visualize the tasks better, collaborate more effectively, and save hours of manual data entry. No, Monday, the one thing with Monday.com is it saves time and makes your work easier. Whether you're managing a team, handling clients' projects, or optimizing your internal processes, Monday.com is a game changer. Yeah, when used correctly. Check out the video. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Bye.